we go. Try to crawl this this here rock bed and see where we get. Think you have to shift to low? Good.
Let's see.
Neutral. Go to neutral.
Go.
Fish box. Oh man, yeah. Oh man, yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Come in. Yeah. All right, you're going straight at it, huh? Go high. Go high. Up as high as you can. Woo! Just leave it first.
Probably stop at this level and back our way out. I'm kind of scared of that next one.
I don't know how deep it is.
Yeah, we better go back up.
We're gonna turn around.
Yeah, we'll do a turnaround here.
Okay. Oh, Paul.
We are. We're going back. I'm not scared. This is the jeepiest we've ever jeeped in this Jeep.
I thought we'd have more trouble, to be honest. We crawled right up that, man. Didn't even slip.
One day, you'll bring the Land Cruiser down here.
I don't know.
Jacked up. Our rock slider's coming in handy.
Go as high as you can.
Rock slider's kicking in.
Oh yeah, dude. What is that? Point your rock over here. There you go. You're good. There.
That right there might be perfect.
Yeah.
And then I go left here.
Yeah. Right.
I mean right.
Yeah.
All right. Got it made now. We're getting a little mud puddle. And we'll stop here and gear down.
Yeah, dude.